Assalamu alaikum students of class 8th. I am your English teacher Ms. Razia Babardar with a poem, first poem of your first term, and the poem name is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. In this lecture, student, I will first read the poem and then I'll explain you, then I'll provide you some notes of this poem, okay? First of all, reading of this poem. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were ranged in column before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide, and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer, where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room. How soon, unaccountable, became tired and sick, till rising and gliding out, I wandered off by myself in the mystical, moist night air, and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. Yes, class 8th. In this poem, the word astronomer relate with the study of stars. Okay. And this poem is written by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet had experienced we can say a lecture in the classroom, and the class was at astronomer, and he is expressing the hard work of making diagrams and mathematical expressions to prove the concept of different astronomer. He has found the this lecture tiring and bored. In the first half of the poem, the poet is in the lecture room and he is with the audiences, with some people listening to a learned astronomer, means wise astronomer. The word showing the respect of astronomer are learned and applause, and in the second half the poet is outside it. In this poem, the scientific tools and methods that astronomer uses are proofs and diagrams to add, divide and measure. The poet is second way suggesting that science cannot show us mystical wonder of nature. We must experience it for our own self. And Walt Whitman is known as the father of free verse, and the poet looked up in perfect silence as a star. The poet took the lecture of astronomer with much applause. Now come to the major explanation of this poem. The major point jotted down by me in this poem is it is written by Walt Whitman, and the poet is describing experiences of taking a class of an astronomer, expressing working hard of making diagrams and mathematical expressions, and the lecture was boring over there. Okay, now student, take out your copies and write down this poem first, and then start writing the words meaning. First of all, draw a margin in between the paper, okay, and then write down the words and meaning. First word is astronomer, and the meaning is a scientist who studies stars. Learned, well educated. Lectured. A lecture is a talk or presentation on a subject where lecture is given. Lecture room, having or inspiring awe or fascination. Mystical evidence that a mathematical proof equation in is true. Okay, so student, these are only 6 words with the meaning. Start with the next page. Next topic is central idea. Put down the heading of central idea and then start writing it. Okay, the poem When I Heard the Astronomer is written by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet is describing the experience of taking a class of an astronomer. He is expressing the hard work of making diagrams and mathematical expression, 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 okay, to prove the concept of different concept as a astronomer. He has found the lecture tiring and bored. Okay student, this is the end of this lecture. Student of class 8, we have completed a poem and a chapter with you previously with the reading, explanation, and I had provided you the notes of those chapters. Okay, now in this lecture I have provided you only words meaning with the central idea. In my upcoming lecture I will explain you short and long questions along with the fill in the blanks and word sentences with the exercise if it is required. Okay, so student, kindly complete your copies, literature copies, and bring it on Tuesday, as Tuesday is the submission of assignment date of class 8 and checking of the copies of class 8. Okay, so Tuesday positively you have to bring your copies for correction. We are available in the school during school timing, that is 9 to 12:30. We will be there, and kindly bring your copies with complete SOPs, that is mask and gloves. Don't come without SOPs, and kindly bring your copies for correction. I hope so you will come, and stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.